is my Chayote. And I want to take out the stem from the Bok Choy because that should have been separated. Yes, this is where the water, most of the water, yes, should have separated it from the very beginning, but it's an oversight. Alright, so there's the Bok Choy and the Chayote. Now, I'm going to add the stem from the collard greens. You're watching the Winston GeL cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Extract some of the juice from the Bok Choy. This time on the sweet peas. Alright, we'll see what happens. Some Bok Choy in there. Yeah, I'm gonna put them all in there and just watch the miracle of this shrinking down. I hope it does. I'm hoping. Alright, my friends, so you see all that vegetable. Yes, all those vegetables of Bok Choy and collard greens into chicken thighs. And now I'm gonna cover it. Yes, cover it. Allow it to shrink. You're watching Winston GeL cooking and Discovery TV, and this is the rice of European cook. Yes, that is a special seasonings. Indian seasonings. You're watching the Winston GeL cooking and Discovery TV. Okay, the greens are going down. Yes, the vegetables are going down. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes on my green scallion. Yes. My tomatoes and green bacon. Yes, fried bacon. That's the fried bacon. And I'm gonna add some chicken seasoning. Some vegetable chicken. Stir-fried vegetable chicken. First, we'll add a bit more seasoning to taste it. Finish this. Pushing that through. I'm going to cut it up. This time I'm going to cut it up. Yes. You're watching Winston GeL cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. No seeds, just the pepper, just the meat, just the meaty part. So this is my vegetable stir-fried chicken with bacon. Alright, she's looking wonderful. She's looking delightful. And I hope she tastes just as much as she is looking. Alright, you're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Vegetable stir-fried chicken. Yes, chicken breast. Vegetable stir-fried chicken breast with bacon. You're seeing this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Let me taste it now and see how it tastes. This is how it tastes. I'm going to put the last chicken flavor in it. And that's it. She's ready. Ready to be served. Ready to be served. friends, so that's my vegetable stir fry chicken with bacon. Alright. Cover this up. Go to the rice. Whew. Oh, baby. Yeah, baby, she's ready. Whew. Yeah. She is ready. Baby is ready. Baby is ready. Ooh, look at that. She is ready. And you see this in the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube channel. Yeah, the one and only Winston GeL. I have to try and see if I can meet this gentleman named Winston GeL. Yeah, he's awesome. I want to meet him. He's wonderful in the kitchen. Does an awesome job. Yeah, so this is my vegetable stir-fried chicken with bacon and seasoned rice. And you're seeing this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, chicken is ready. Stir-fried vegetable chicken and special seasoned rice. Alright, stove off. Alright, my friends, so that's my special seasoned rice to the right, and that is my vegetable stir-fried chicken. Yes, stove off. See this on Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. It's time to share. So I'm going to share. This container is right. I know, you know. Can you please tell me? Yes, just leave it in a comment. Tell me who this container is for. If you guess right, I'll send you some. Just a nice, delicious, tasty dinner. Sure. I'll send it to your Federal Express. Alright. Discovery TV on the